So this bird been trying to get into my house for a while now. For the last half an hour. Back and forth, back and forth. I have no idea what he's trying to do. Come on in. 1, 2, 3. I don't know what you're trying to do. No clue. You are cute. They're trying to come see me, but when I go out and you run away, you fly away. So I don't know what you want. Good. I think he's seeing himself as an enemy or something. I don't know. Careful. What are you doing? เจ็บไหมนะลูกเอ้ยไปไหนละมาอีกแล้วมาอีกแล้ว You know you can't get in, but you keep trying. Say bye-bye, baby. You gotta go to work. Boy, being this a hard day.